Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to buy Tether on Paxful application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by tapping open your Paxful application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, tap the wallet button at the bottom of the screen and you'll be able to see your wallet page displayed on the screen. Scroll down and find Tether on your wallet. Once you find the Tether option, tap the buy button beneath. Right next to the buy drop down, make sure that you have selected USDT or Tether option and select one of the offers from the list below. Once you do that, enter the amount of money you are willing to pay in order to buy Tether in the first text box. Once you enter the amount, you'll be able to see the amount of USDT you'll receive on the next field. Tap on the done button and now tap on buy now at the bottom. Follow the on-screen prompts and confirm your payment on the next page and you'll be able to buy Tether on Paxful. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.